This place looks amazing!
Logan, put my wallet in the locker, please, and don't forget to lock it.
Okay, Mom. This one is perfect! Logan! The wave pool! Come on! Wait for me! This is so much fun!
Best day ever!
Yes, it is.
Woohoo! So fast! This ice cream is so good!
Ready for more fun?
Yes! Let's go!
This is so relaxing.
A perfect day. An unlocked locker. Easy. This is my lucky day. Time to go home.
Look! A big wave!
Jump!
Got you, Mom!
Oh, you little fish.
No, I win!
It's getting late. Time to go home.
Let's get our things. I'll get my wallet. My wallet! My wallet is gone!
Are you sure? Look again.
It's empty! Did someone take it?
Oh no, I forgot to lock the locker.
Okay, let's stay calm. We'll search the park. Emma and I will check the food court.
Logan, come with me. We'll search near the pools.
Look under the tables.
Okay, Dad. Excuse me, did you see a red wallet?
No, sorry.
It's not here.
Look under the chairs.
Nothing here. Where can it be?
Keep looking. Anything?
Nothing.
This is all my fault. Wait! Wait! I remember something. The wallet has a tracker.
Great idea, Emma. I can ring it with my phone. I will make a call. What's that noise? Stop! Why won't it stop?
I hear it. Beep, beep. It's coming from over there.
There! Hurry! Huh?
Look! The bag is beeping.
I have to get away!
Stop! Give the wallet back.
We're right behind you!
Go this way.
Excuse me, that is our bag. Okay, here you go.
Everything is still here.
That is great news.
Sir, stay where you are. Come with me.
Emma, your idea was great. Teamwork. Locked! I checked 2 times. Mom, I'm really sorry. It was my mistake. I will, Mom. I'll never forget again.
That's the Logan I know.
Ready to go home?
Yes! Best day ever!
Hello, my friends. Did you like the story? Now, let's check today's lesson. First word, wallet. We keep money and cards in a wallet. Say it with me, wallet. Second word, locker. At the pool, we put our things in a locker. Repeat after me, locker. Third word, to lock. We lock the locker to keep our things safe. Can you say it? Now, a question. Who forgot to lock the locker? Yes, Logan forgot. Question 2. Who had the idea of the tracker? That's right, Emma! And what did we learn today? Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to learn from them. Great job, my friends! Always check twice before you leave. See you in the next story. Bye-bye!